In front of me is Chuwi HiPad Max, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this tablet. You need to begin by going into Play Store and downloading free app called Files by Google. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, tap on Continue, select Allow, and click on gray switcher next to Allow access to manage all files. Then you can finally tap on Clean section located on the left above Browse. Now click on Clean right next to Junk files and confirm your choice by hitting Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device is already clean. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!